Okay, students, we are in the topic of applications of differentiation. Among the topic of applications of differentiation, we are in maxima minima topic. So, maxima minima topic. In maxima minima, we have discussed in maxima minima. In maxima minima topic, you have completed level 1 classwork, level 1 homework and CUQ also. Concept already handled. CUQ means conceptual questions. Theory bits we have discussed until 48 questions. 49 also completed. Let us discuss from 50 theory bits. Maxima minima. This is the topic of maxima minima, which is most important for JEE mains exam. Let us discuss the theory bits. Theory bits from 50, 51, 52, 53. 50, 51, 52, 53 bits are there. So let us discuss the question 50. Area of greatest rectangle that can be inscribed in the ellipse. Area of greatest rectangle that can be inscribed in the ellipse. Let us draw the diagram of ellipse. In this ellipse, rectangle area which is having maximum, in this ellipse rectangle area which is having maximum area, we should calculate. Let the name here, this is P, this is Q, this is R, this is S, like that. We know that this is x-axis, this is capital A comma 0, small a comma 0 is a vertex of ellipse, and this is A dash, here it is minus a comma 0. We know that the standard equation of ellipse is x square plus y is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 is the standard equation of ellipse. Parametric point of ellipse I am discussing. Already previously we discussed regarding parametric points. Parametric point of ellipse P is equal to a cos theta comma b sin theta, which satisfies the given equation. So let us write here parametric point I am writing here a cos theta comma b sin theta. So let us write here, because this is in first quadrant, you can write here a cos theta comma b sin theta as a q. This is P, this is in Q4. So fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, x-axis is plus and y-axis is minus. So a cos theta comma minus b sin theta. A cos theta comma minus b sin theta is fourth quadrant. Here this is second quadrant. Second quadrant. In the second quadrant, x is negative and y is positive. So you can write here x is minus a cos theta comma and this is b sin theta. This is S. S is the third quadrant. The point in third quadrant. So third quadrant characteristic is both are negatives, minus a cos theta comma minus b sin theta. Let us denote the area of rectangle is length into breadth. What is length here means PS and what is breadth here means PQ. Area of rectangle I am writing here. Area of rectangle. Area of rectangle PQRS. Area of rectangle PQRS is equal to, here I am writing as PQ into PS. Length into breadth. So what is meant by PQ and what is meant by PS? This is PS, a cos theta minus of minus a cos theta. So a cos theta plus a cos theta. So this is 2a cos theta. That's all. Here b sin minus b sin theta plus b sin theta, it becomes 0. No need to write. This is a cos theta minus a cos theta is 0 minus b sin theta minus b sin theta. So b sin theta plus b sin theta you can write here 2b sin theta. So now I am writing this one as area is equal to area indicating with the letter A. We can write here 2AB 2 sin theta cos theta. 2AB 2 sin theta cos theta can be written as 2AB sin 2 theta. To find the area is min or max, we should calculate dA by d theta equal to 0. So 2AB into the derivative of sin 2 theta is 2 cos 2 theta equal to 0. So divide with this one. So cos 2 theta is equal to 0. Whenever cos 2 theta is equal to 0, 2 theta is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. 2n plus 1 into pi by 2 is the general solution of cos theta. Now you can write here theta is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 4. So let us discuss about only one rotation. For one rotation, no need to take this one 2n rotations or 2n plus 1 rotations. So put n is equal to 0 I am writing. Whenever n is equal to 0, theta is equal to pi by 4, it means only for first rotation. So here P becomes A cos theta means A cos A by root 2 comma minus B by root 2. This is A by root 2 comma B by root 2, this is minus A by root 2 comma B by root 2, this is minus A by root 2 comma minus B by root 2. Using that calculations, you can get the value here using A is equal. Here I am indicating like this in a box. Now area, right? Area. So area, substitute the value 2AB into sin 2 theta. 2AB into what is the value sin 2 theta means it is simply sin 90. So it becomes 1. So area is equal to 2AB. This one also important, students. P. Whether he asking a point, P general notation is P parametric point. P or Q, P and Q also I am writing here. P you can take here minus A by root 2 comma B by root 2. If you need Q, general notation P is a point in first quadrant, this should be P. Otherwise if you indicate with the letter Q, you can write here A by root 2 comma B by root 2. So A by root 2 comma B by root 2, the parametric point and area is 2AB. This is an important concept. Next let us discuss about 51st question. The greatest distance of a normal to ellipse. Greatest distance of a normal to ellipse. Greatest distance of normal to an ellipse from center he is asked. From center. Ellipse center. Center of ellipse is an horizon 0, 0. So 0, 0. From 0, 0 to ellipse equation. Equation of normal of ellipse, we should calculate the distance. Distance means here perpendicular distance we should calculate. Perpendicular distance of the normal from the center. Perpendicular distance from origin to any line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is that mod c by root of a square plus b square. Greatest distance of normal to ellipse. Let us draw this is tangent, this is tangent, this is normal, this is center. Center indicate with the letter 0, 0. You should calculate the perpendicular distance. This is normal. We know that the normal is the perpendicular line. Normal is the perpendicular line passing through the point of perpendicular line of tangent. Perpendicular line of tangent and passing through the point of contact is called as normal for any curve. You should calculate this perpendicular distance from origin to this normal. Px1, y1 is there for ellipse. Ellipse standard equation I am saying that x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. This one, ellipse standard equation, x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. For this one, parametric point P I am writing a cos theta comma b sin theta. At the parametric point, we should calculate the equation of normal. So what is the equation of normal of ellipse at parametric point? Equation of normal at p theta I am writing at p theta to ellipse 1, let it be first equation. Formula ax by cos theta. Ax by cos theta minus by by sin theta is equal to a square minus b square. This is the equation of normal. You should calculate perpendicular distance. Perpendicular distance from 0, 0. Perpendicular from 0, 0 to 2. Here I am writing this one is second equation. Let it be second equation. We know that the formula, let us remember the formula mod c by root of a square plus b square. So what is mod c here? Meaning a square minus b square by root of, this one a square means a square by cos square theta, a square by cos square theta, and b square by sin square theta. Now you can write this one as a square minus b square over modulus by root over a square secant square theta, a square secant square theta plus b square cosecant square theta. Previously we discussed regarding this sum, a square secant square theta plus b square cosecant square theta in CUQ, and in formula also I said that the maximum value of a square secant square theta plus b square cosecant square theta is 2a plus b. In previous class we discussed a square secant square least value. Here it is asking minimum distance. Area of greatest distance of normal is asking. So total greatest distance for numerator, here you should get minimum distance. So the least value of, here I am writing, already we proved the least distance I am writing. The least value of a square secant square theta plus b square cosecant square theta. Least value, the least value of a square secant square theta plus b square cosecant square theta, b square cosecant square theta is equal to a plus b whole square. So now you can write that one as, that implies, you can write here modulus of a square minus b square by a plus b, because square root is there here. So now you can write this one as a minus b into a plus b whole by a plus b. A plus b and a plus b will be getting cancelled. So here you should try to understand that the greatest perpendicular distance, greatest distance from center to the normal of the ellipse is a minus b here. You can put modulus also here regarding to this one, first option. 51 question completed. Let us discuss about 52. 52nd question. The rectangular metal sheet. Cut into equal four corners. If the sheet made up of an open rectangular box, if the volume of the open rectangular box is maximum, then what is the removed part? In IPA, last exercise in the maxima minima concept, last but one sum in IPE, which was most important, already we discussed about this sum. Everyone know that the answer is also 20 by 3. It is an important question. Regarding that question now, we want to discuss about the same concept. Here open rectangular box and maxima minima concept. He is asking about depth. There we discussed about that one as height. Here it is depth. The rectangular metal sheet like this. The metal sheet cut into 4 parts like this one. X like that. The rectangular sheet of sides AB has 4 equal square points removed at the corners, and the sides are then turned up so as to form an open rectangular box. When the volume contained in the box is maximum the depth, then you should find out X. This is A. This is length. Let this be length. This is breadth. An open rectangular box. So it is nothing but parallelepiped. It is made up of an open rectangular box. It is preparing like the box. So let us discuss about length. Length of box I am writing. Length of box. In 7th class mensuration, you have learned that to calculate the length this side, this part and this part, 2 parts should be cut. So length is equal to A minus 2x. Breadth is equal to B minus 2x. What is the height? Whatever the cut part is there, it should be in mold like this. So the mold part Bx, it is only height of the box. Length of the box is equal to A minus 2x. Next, breadth. Breadth of the box is equal to B minus 2x. Next, height. Height of the box is equal to simply x. So volume of the rectangular parallelepiped or volume of the cuboid, you can think this one as a cuboid. Volume of the cuboid formula LBH. V equal to length into breadth into height, LBH. So volume of box I am writing here. Volume of box V is equal to LBH. So here I am writing this one as A minus 2x into V minus 2x into x. To find, I am writing here, to find volume is min or max. To find volume is min or max. dV by dx is equal to 0. dV by dx is equal to 0. Let us take derivative using UVW method. U dash VW plus UV dash W plus UVW dash. Like that, we will do the derivative of this function. So to calculate the derivative V is equal to LBH, here I am writing dV by dx. dV by dx is equal to, let us calculate first this one derivative, minus 2 into, write this one as it is B minus 2x dx, plus next one A minus 2x, A minus 2x into minus 2 into x, plus next one A minus 2x into B minus 2x into simple 1 is equal to 0. We can write to calculate whether the volume of the box is min or max. Let us multiply this one carefully. Minus 2bx, minus of minus 2 2s are 4, this is x square, minus 2ax, minus of minus plus, this is here 4x square. Minus 2x minus of minus plus 4x square. Next let us discuss about this one AB minus 2ax minus 2bx plus 4x square equal to 0. Total x square terms, how many x square terms are there you see? 4x square, 4x square, 4x square. Total 12x square. 12x square. Minus x terms. Minus 2bx, minus 2bx, minus 4bx, and minus 4ax. Minus 4ax, minus 4bx. If we take common minus 4x, we can write a plus b in the bracket. At last, ab equal to 0. That's all. Now, let us consider about this is a quadratic equation. To get the value, use the formula minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac whole by 2a. Minus b plus or minus, this is 4 into a plus b plus or minus root b square. Means here 16 into a plus b whole square minus 4ab means 48ab. That's all. Whole by 2 12s are 24. Next step I am writing here, x is equal to 4 into a plus b. 4 into a plus b plus or minus, if you take 16 common along with root, you can write there 4 into a plus b whole square minus 3ab whole by 24. If you multiply, divide with 4, the 4 taken common and it will be getting cancelled. In denominator as 6 times a plus b plus or minus root of, you can multiply, you can write the formula a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 3ab whole by 6. X is equal to, students try to understand, the box length is simply a minus 2x and breadth is b minus 2x. If you put a plus b and this one also plus, it becomes more value. So x should be smaller than this one a and b. So don't take plus here. You take only minus. So a plus b minus, you may write here like this, a square plus b square minus ab whole by 6. That's all. A plus b. Here he given as second option, root he indicated as power 1 by 2. That's all. 1 by 6 taken common, a plus b minus of a square minus a plus b square whole power 1 by 2 he given. That's all. Correct. 52. Second option is correct. Let us discuss about 53rd question. 53rd question. If the petrol burnt per hour in driving motor boat, the petrol burnt per hour in driving motor boat varies as the cube of its velocity. So, cube of its velocity. Cube of its velocity, v cube, let us think it's one v cube. Petrol burnt per hour in driving motor boat varies as the cube of its velocity when going against current of kmph, current of C. Current means here speed in water, against water. If a candidate is swimming in the water, against water, it is called against current. Current means flow of water here. So if the petrol burnt per hour in driving a motor boat varies as the cube of its velocity. Velocity cube, it's varying with velocity cube. Let us discuss about 53rd question. Condition I am writing here. Condition. Condition is P. P for petrol I am writing. P is directly proportional to V cube. V means velocity and P means petrol. Petrol burnt per hour. Driving motor boat varies. The cube of velocity, P is directly proportional to V cube, and we can write here P is equal to some constant K into V cube. When going against current of water, C, km per hour, C kilometer per hour here. So here, speed against to water, current, C he given. The most economical speed we should calculate. Speed is equal to, let the distance travelled by boat I am writing. Let the distance travelled by boat. Let the distance travelled by boat is equal to S. General notation, displacement notation, yes, like that I written as distance travelled by boat is equal to S. It may be displacement, you can think. This is S. Next we are discussing about current against water. Speed and writing. Speed against water. Speed against water is equal to V minus C. Because V is the speed and against water means negative. In the opposite direction we are going. V minus C. So use the formula time is equal to speed equal to distance by time, students. Speed equal to distance by time. Then time is equal to distance by speed. Yes, I used this formula. General formula speed equal to distance by time. Here regarding time I am discussing time is equal to distance by speed. What is the distance here? Whatever the distance covered by boat, it is S. What is the speed against water? It is V minus C. Okay, now you write time. Time taken here, I mean that time taken to travel. Time taken to travel. Time taken to travel by the boat. Time taken to travel by the boat T. Let it be T is equal to, what is the distance? Yes. By what is the speed against water? That too I am asking. That I am saying here to you. S by V minus C. Now, he is asking the question, current going against current of C, the most economical speed, the most economic velocity, if the petrol burnt per hour driving a motor boat varies as the cube of its velocity when going against current of C, then most economical speed. So total, if the petrol burnt, it is most economical speed is there. You should calculate if the petrol burnt given boat varies as the cube when going against current of water, the most economical speed. Most economical speed you should calculate. So regarding to, in the terms of C we should calculate. Economical speed most is there. Petrol burnt how much as the cube of when going against current of water, the most economical speed we should discuss. So total petrol burnt I am writing. Total petrol burnt is equal to total time into this one. So what is the value of total time? This kV cube into this one. According to our question, total petrol burnt equal to this one. This value into P into T. Total petrol burnt means this is for time, this is for total petrol. So P into T here you can write kV cube into S by V minus C. You should calculate now velocity. So let it be the term in F of V. Whatever the constants are there, simply leave it. Ks by 1 I am writing. Ks by 1 into V cube by V minus C. To find the velocity, the speed is min or max. F dash C is equal to 0. So Ks into, use the formula Vu dash minus Uv dash by V square. V minus C into 3V square minus V cube into 1 by V minus C whole square. V minus is equal to 0 you put. So Ks taken common that side. So V minus C into 3V square. V minus C into 3V square minus V cube equal to 0. If we divide with V square, it becomes 3V minus 3C minus V equal to 0. 3V minus V means 2V. 2V equal to 3C. What he is asking, he is discussing about the velocity regarding the current. So V is equal to 3C by 2. At a particular 3C, what is a C? It is a flow of current. I mean The water flowing, flow of water speed is 3 by 2 times of flow of water speed is equal to velocity of the boat against to water. So here you should try to understand the relation between velocity and flow of current is 3c by 2 is the important question here. Until now we discussed CUQ, theory bits completed. Next, level 1 classwork completed, level 1 homework also completed. Let us discuss about level 2 classwork, some questions today. Tomorrow also I will continue the class. Level 2 classwork. Whatever the theory bits I discussed, these are direct bits in advanced and 9s also. Everything in every book, every standard book you can search. Directly they used to give as a formula. So some students should concentrate regarding this chapter. Now let us discuss about classwork module 2, level 2 classwork. Level 2. Level 2 classwork. First question. Total 53 sums are there in level 2 classwork. Let us discuss some sums today. Some questions. Let us discuss about first question. The interval of x for which the function y is equal to minus x into x minus 2 whole square increases if the function f of x is increasing. Then what is the value? General notation, whether he given the value y is equal to f of x, whether it is any curve or any function, if increases he given the question, you should try to understand that first derivative of the function should be greater than 0. If it is given as strictly increasing, it is f dash x greater than 0. If he given the question as simply increasing f dash is greater than or equal to 0, but according to objective, according to options, you should take only f dash x greater than 0. So f dash x greater than 0 is the condition. Dy by dx greater than 0. I am writing here minus x taken common, minus of x into this derivative 2 into x minus 2 plus here x minus 2 whole square. X minus 2 whole square into 1, this is greater than or equal to 0. Better to do one thing, x minus 2 taken common, x minus 2 taken common. Here you can write it 2x plus x minus 2. 2x plus x minus 2 less than 0. Multiplied with negative, minus both sides. So here we can write 3x minus 2. 3x minus 2 into x minus 2 less than 0. Therefore, you can write here x belongs to open interval. Students, here this is open interval only, open interval 2 by 3 comma 2. Open interval 2 by 3 comma 2, first option here. Next, let us discuss about second question. In the interval 7 comma infinity, he given the question condition as 7 comma infinity and f of x is equal to modulus of x minus 5 plus 2 into modulus of x minus 7. Condition he given in the interval, condition he given as 7 comma infinity. So x belongs to 7 comma infinity. That meaning is the minimum value is 7 and maximum value is infinity. Wherever you can go, no problem. Until infinity you can substitute. Now better to do one thing that here, put the value, put x is equal to 7. Whenever he given the condition like this, f of 7 you write here. So 7 minus 5 here, 2. 7 minus 5 is 2 here. So 7 minus 5 plus 2 into 7 minus 7, it is 0. So simply you get 2. 2 comma infinity he given. So easy discussing about increasing or decreasing. Okay. If you substitute the value, you will be getting 2 comma infinity like that also. You can say 2, next letter 3, next letter 4 like that. It is increasing. It is a shortcut. Next. Sir, what is the method? You can calculate the derivative f dash x. Mod x derivative is mod x by x and mod this one derivative also mod x by x. Taking LCM, you will be getting the value greater than 0. Simply 2 comma infinity is greater than 0. Write this one. F of x is increasing, you write simply. This is shortcut. If you want sum, calculate the derivative. Let us discuss about third question. F of x is equal to root of x square minus 4. F of x is equal to root of x square minus 4. He is asking in decreasing, where the function is decreasing. So, where the function is decreasing, the rule, if f dash x less than 0, then f of x is decreasing. If, here I am writing, if f dash x less than 0, f of x is decreasing. If f dash x greater than 0, f of x is increasing. So what is the derivative of root x? Everyone knows that derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. So here f dash x I am writing. F dash x is equal to 2x by 2 root of x square minus 4. Right here, decreasing means less than 0. So 2 get cancelled. Simply you write here x less than 0. You given x less than 0. X less than 0 means negative. Total negative. How many options are there? Minus infinity, comma infinity. X less than 0. No. Minus infinity, comma. If you put according to option, now we should calculate, maybe this is verification, maybe third option. Because minus infinity, comma plus infinity should not be there, because it should be greater than 0. Minus infinity. X less than 0 means I am writing here minus infinity, comma 0. Let us discuss about whether the value becomes, here 0 is there. No? If you put 0 here, 0 minus 4, it is negative, it is not at all real. If you put 1 here, next 1 it is not. Minus 1, left side I am thinking. Minus 1 whole square becomes, minus 1 means 1, minus 1 whole square 1, 1 minus 4 it is negative. So if you take the value more than minus 2, the value will not be getting the proper answer. So domain I am getting here. Domain means here according to function domain, according to wherever the function defined, there you should think about the decreasing characteristic. Minus infinity, comma 2 you write. Minus infinity, comma minus 2 students. If you are getting any doubt, you substitute the value minus 1 here, you will not get the proper value. That is why here domain is equal to minus infinity, comma minus 2. So let us discuss about fourth question. Log of 1 plus x minus 2x by 2 plus x. Let f of x is equal to, I am writing here. Let f of x is equal to log of 1 plus x. Log of 1 plus x minus 2x by 2 plus x. He is discussing about increasing, he is asking, interval he given, increasing. So wherever the function increases, f dash x less than 0, let us take the derivative. Let us calculate the derivative of log of 1 plus x. We know that 1 by 1 plus x, take here bracket and minus, this is vu dash minus uv dash by v square concept. 2 plus x into 2 minus 2x into this derivative 1 whole by 2 plus x whole square, whole by 2 plus x whole square. This is less than 0. Let us discuss about the characteristic of the function. 2 plus x whole square you write here. 2 plus x whole square minus here 1 plus x into taken LCM. 1 plus x into 2 2's are here. 4 minus 2x plus 2x will be getting cancelled. Minus 4 whole by 2 plus x whole square. This is less than 0. This is taken this side. You can write here 2 plus x whole square. Expansion formula. 4 plus x square plus 4x minus 4 minus 4x less than 0. 4x and 4x will be getting cancelled. 4 and 4 also. 4 plus x square minus 4 minus x. This one also got cancelled. X square less than 0. Simple x square less than 0 we got. Then x less than 0 you can write. Then negative intervals. Negative interval second option. You write next step x less than 0. Whenever x less than 0, you can write here x belongs to minus infinity comma 0. So second option is there, minus infinity x less than 0. Negative interval you can take. Minus fourth question given as first option. He asked about increasing students. He asked about increasing. Okay. I said that here f dash x less than 0 I have taken. That is why change the question. Decreasing. For decreasing I said. For increasing you do homework. So what we should do for increasing the value f dash x greater than 0. Instead of f dash x greater than 0, you put and try to understand what is the value x greater than 0. For every one positive number x greater than 0, we know that if every positive it is okay. So according to option, verify. Next, fourth question completed. Let us discuss about fifth question. 0 less than alpha less than beta less than pi by 2. Then he is asking about trigonometric functions. Given an angle alpha and beta and condition that alpha comma beta lies between 0 and pi by 2. So we should try to understand that the angles are in first quadrant. So here everything is positive. 0 less than alpha less than beta less than pi by 2 here. 0 less than alpha less than pi by 2. Let us put shortcut. Let alpha equal to pi by 6 we can put. Beta is equal to pi by 4. Okay, better. Otherwise pi by 4, pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3, pi by 3, 4, pi by 3 also you can take, no problem. 0 alpha less than pi by 6. Let us discuss about options. Tan beta. He is discussing about tan beta, tan alpha, alpha and beta. The relation we made it. Tan beta by tan alpha I am writing. Tan beta by tan alpha. What is tan beta here? Tan 45, 1. What is tan 30 degrees? 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 becomes root 3. We know that the value of root 3 is 1.732. Now I am writing here B alpha by beta. Let us discuss about the relation. What is alpha? Pi by 4. Pi by 4. Whole by what is beta? Pi by 6. Pi by 4 into 6 by pi I am writing. So 3 by 2. 3 by 2 value 1.5. So 1.7 is greater than 1.5. Now you can understand that tan beta by tan alpha value greater than alpha by beta. Shortcut I am writing here 1.732 greater than 1.5. Next, sixth question. In the same model I think 0 less than x less than pi by 2. 0 less than x less than pi by 2. He is discussing about 2 by pi and sin x by x. Sin x by x. Just let us remember about sin x graph. This is a sin x graph. This is 0, this is 1 like that. The 0 and in between 0 and 1 sin x graph is increasing function. Okay, sin x graph is like that. Next, let us consider about the value x is equal to pi by 4. Students, pi means 3.14 and by 4 means you will be getting the value 0.785. 3.14 by 4. Sin pi by 4, if you take sin 45 value 1 by root 2, it can be calculated. You can get the value 0.707. We know that 0.785 is greater than 0.707. Then you can understand that x is greater than sin x. X is greater than sin x according to this value. Otherwise you can write sin x less than x. Now you can write sin x by x less than 1. Sin x by x less than 1 option is not there. Third option is given, but sin x by x greater than 1, it is wrong. 2 by sin x, 1 greater than sin x, so fourth option is wrong. Now we should decide between first option and second option only. Sin x by x value less than 1 we got. Sin x by x. Let us discuss about now. According to options I am writing 2 by pi. So what is the value of 2? Pi means 3.14. You write 200 by 314. 200 by 314. The value you may get, whether it is 2 by 3.14, 200 by 314 is also 0 point something. According to option, given this one, fifth question as a second option, 2 by pi, this is also 0 point value like that. This is also 0 point something. So you can discuss, you can say this one as 2 by pi less than sin x by x. Option 2. Next one, seventh question. It is an important question, students. In previous days, in 2006, 2005 days, this was an important IPE question. Now, this is important for JEE Mains and MCET also. So, before doing the sum, you should know the value of e power e like that. What is the value of e means? E is a irrational number where limit n tends to infinity 1 plus 1 by n whole power n, or limit n tends to 0 1 plus x whole 1 plus n whole power 1 by n. E is equal to, by Maclaurin expansion or by expansion of exponential functions, you will get the value E is equal to 2.718 times I. Approximate value. It is approximately equal to. The greatest number he is asking. The greatest number. The greatest numbers. The greatest numbers of 1. Here 1 means power 1 by 1 students. 1 power 1 by 1, 2 power 1 by 2, 3 power 1 by 3, 4 power 1 by 4, 5 power 1 by 5, 6 power 1 by 6, 7 power 1 by 7. Like that, numbers given. The greatest numbers he is asking. Let I am writing here. Let f of x is equal to x power 1 by x. That implies, here I am writing as y is equal to x power 1 by x. Applying logarithm both sides, you can write here log y is equal to 1 by x into log x. Now I am writing here differentiating both sides. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. What is the value of log y here? 1 by y into this derivative dy by dx is equal to 1 by x into log x derivative 1 by x plus log x into 1. That implies dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to y taken this side, y into y. What is the value of y? X power 1 by x we can write 1 by x square. 1 by x square plus log x dy by dx. Here the greatest number I am discussing. Whether the function is min or max, here greatest or least. Whether the function is min or max, you should calculate the derivative dy by dx is equal to 0. Okay, let us discuss about dy by dx equal to 0. Y taken the side. Here you can write 1. Here x power 1 by x is there, taken log by both sides 1 by x, log x differentiating both sides 1 by x into log x derivative, log x into 1 by x derivative minus 1 by x square here. That only minus 1 by x square. Here also x square you can write and put minus here. Minus x square also taken common students. You can write here 1 minus log x equal to 0. And log x is equal to 1 to the base e, therefore x is equal to e. Whenever the logarithm function is there, logarithm function decides that x is equal to e whether it is minimum or maximum. Now leave it. x is equal to e. At x equal to e, it decides whether it is min or max. If we calculate second derivative also, it may get maximum, because less than, if you get the value of double dash x less than 0, then we will be getting the value regarding greatest numbers. So we should decide, no need to calculate about second derivative, we should decide here only. So what is the decisions are? We know that I am writing. We know that 1 less than 2. Whatever the numbers he given, without powers I am writing. 1 less than, 2 less than, 3 less than, 4 less than, 5 less than, 6 less than, 7. But here the value is deciding at only x is equal to e. So whenever x is equal to e, already said earlier that the value e is equal to 2.718. So forget about these values. 1 is less than 2. From 2.718 only you should write. So that implies f of x, let f of x should be in the manner of e power 1 by e like that. So on and writing. E power 1 by e, next 3 power 1 by 3, next 4 power 1 by 4, 5 power 1 by 4 like that. So according to power raising power concept, we know that e power 1 by e greater than like this, 3 power 1 by 3 greater than, 4 power 1 by 4 greater than, 5 power 1 by 5 like that you should write. 5 power 1 by 5 greater than, 6 power 1 by 6 and greater than, 7 power 1 by 7. Forget about the value 1 and 2. So among these values, what is the great? Don't say that e power 1 by e is great, because e power 1 by e is great, but according to given question, e power 1 by e is not there. So according to given questions, among these numbers, 3 power 1 by 3 is the maximum. Therefore, great value or greatest value, great is equal to, I am writing 3 power 1 by 3. By shortcut also you can think whether you get the idea about e. E is equal to 2.718. So forget about less than values 1 and 2, forget about 1 and 2. What is the value? Next value 3. According to raising the powers, you will get the value increasing in decreasing way and decreasing in increasing way. So you can easily say that the value 3 power 1 by 3 is great among all these values. Let us discuss about 8th question. Depends upon stationary points. What is meant by stationary point? Wherever the f dash x is equal to 0 or f dash x does not exist for a given function f of x or a given curve y is equal to f of x, it is said to be stationary point, and the value a comma f of a said to be stationary value. A comma f of a is stationary point and f of a is stationary value. Now, he given this one according to stationary point conditions. Number of critical points he is asking. F of x is equal to modulus of x minus 1 by x square. He is asking, he is discussing about number of critical points. Critical points. What is the critical point? Where the f dash x defined, not defined, or f dash x equal to 0. According to domain, here you write here, x not equal to 0 for the rational function concept. The rational number p by q is in the form of p by q where q is not equal to 0, and if a function, rational function, if a function is in the form of f of x by g of x, where g of x not equal to 0, it is called as rational function. So, you can say here x not equal to 0. Wherever x not equal to 0, the function is not defined. So, I am writing here the derivative x square into modulus of x minus 1 by x minus 1. Students, vu dash minus u dash by v square I am writing here. This is modulus of x minus 1 into this is 2x whole by x square whole square is equal to 0. You can write to get the critical point. The derivative u dash minus u dash by v square, x square into modulus of x minus 1 by x. If we given the condition x greater than 0, we did not give the condition x greater than 0. You can take, students, you can take common as this one value modulus of x minus 1 by x power 4 take common Now you can write here x square by x minus 1 minus 2x equal to 0. Here x not equal to 0, it is a critical point already we got here. Mod x minus 1 is equal to 0 you put here, and x is equal to 1 no? Minus 1, x is equal to 1, that's all. Next here you write this one, x square minus 2x square plus 2x is equal to 0. X square minus 2x square becomes minus x square plus 2x. Minus x square plus 2x is equal to 0. X taken common, x minus x plus 2 equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 already we got, and x is equal to 0 already we got, at x is equal to 2. Now you can write a number of critical points. Number of critical points is equal to 0, 1, 2. So total here 1 we got, this is 1. X is equal to, here I am writing x is equal to 0, and x is equal to 0 here also I have written x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, and x is equal to 2. Total number of critical points are 3 points. Let us discuss about 9th question. F of x is equal to x into log x whole square. F of x is equal to x into log x whole square. Then f is stationary at which one? F of x equal to x into log x whole square. To calculate it is stationary or not, where it is stationary means f dash x is equal to 0. F dash x is equal to here x into 2 log x whole by x plus log x whole square. X into log x whole square into 1 equal to 0. Log x taken common. Log x taken common, x and x will be getting cancelled. 2 plus log x you can write here equal to 0. Log x is equal to 0, it is the first one. It is put base, it is e power 0, so x is equal to 1. Next here you write log x is equal to minus 2, put the base here, x is equal to e power minus 2, you can write as x is equal to 1 by e square. 1 comma e power minus 2, second option is there students, second option is given. Now let us discuss about 10th question. 10th question. The critical points of the function f of x is equal to x minus 2 whole power 2 by 3 into 2x plus 1 he given. F of x is equal to 10th question. Critical points. The critical points of function f of x is equal to x minus 2 whole power 2 by 3 into 2x plus 1. X minus 2 whole power 2 by 3 into 2x plus 1. The critical points of the function. To get the critical points of the function f dash x is equal to 0, you should put f dash x is equal to 0. X minus 2 whole power 2 by 3 into, this is 2, uv dash plus vu dash I am writing, 2x plus 1 into 2 by 3 into x minus 2 whole power minus 1 by 3, because 2 by 3 minus 1 you can write. So put is equal to 0 here. Let us discuss about 2 into x minus 2 whole power 2 by 3 plus 2x plus 1 into 2 by 3, we can take here as x minus 1 by 2 whole power 1 by 3 in the denominator. By 1, here take LCM, and 2 into 3, 6 you write here. 6 into, this is x minus 2 power 2 by 3 and 1 by 3 x minus 2 plus 2 into 2x plus 1 whole by here 3 into x minus 2 1 by 3 equal to 0. Here you can write this one as 6x minus 12. 6x minus 12 plus 4x plus 2 whole by 3 into x minus 2 whole power 1 by 3 equal to 0. 6x plus 4x 10x, 10x minus 10. Here you can write this is 10x minus 10 is numerator, and 3 into x minus 2 whole power 1 by 3 equal to 0, this is denominator. As earlier we discussed that f of x to get the critical points where f of x, f dash x is not defined or f dash x equal to 0. Here where f dash x equal to 0 means 10x is equal to 10 and x is equal to 1. This is a critical point, and you should write x minus 2 not equal to 0. So whenever x minus 2 is equal to 0, the denominator becomes 0 and numerator becomes infinity. It is not defined. So f dash x is not defined. So x is equal to 2 comma x is equal to 1 are critical points. We can write x is equal to 1 comma x is equal to 2 are critical points of the given f of x. Totally we completed regarding the chapter maxima minima level 2 classwork, the subtopics increasing decreasing functions and stationary and critical points. Let us discuss about local maximum, local minima in next class. Okay students.